All right. We're out here on the GX3. Put it in park like it likes to do after you sit for a second. Out here filming on the Insta360 X5. The trail shouldn't be too busy. The parking lot wasn't too full, so we'll see. Just gonna cruise. Try and maybe get some cool shots. Still got my wound on my ankle. I probably should have covered it up, but whatever. I forgot my phone mount, but it's fine. It's a pain in the ass. I just need to buy another one, especially before the Teverun gets here. But it shouldn't be too busy, so we should be able to go a little faster today. As we know, the scooter was decently expensive. I wish I would have got a Segway GT3, I think, just because. Seems pretty dead today. It kind of rained a little bit, so it made it super muggy, but hey, when you're cruising on the scooter, it feels good. I'm gonna try and get some cool shots here down through here. Let's see what this shot looks like. What do we got down here? Is that a unicycle? No, it's a motorcycle. I don't know if that was electric or not. Should let go. Having it hanging off the back of the caboo did not work out. Luckily I had a lens guard on. And luckily I saw it the second time before it scraped. It just made a mark on the side of the camera, thankfully. Trying to keep it smooth here. Man, it's nice. There's like nobody out. I can go pretty fast. Let's see, we'll get you down here and then we'll adjust the angle again. Downward. Make it to the tunnel without it falling. Oh, it's close. That's a cool shot, probably. Here we go. Got a person down here. We'll tighten this up here in a second. This should be a pretty cool shot. lightweight controllers, remember that. Try not to run over any goose shit. Cool view. Hopefully it's not moving too much. It's steady. The bar battery already, not bad. Alright, we're gonna try this dangerous shot here, see how this goes. 3, 2, 1, go. There's a guy down here. Check out the trails back here. This is a good hill. So we're at 56 volts. I forget what core voltage is, but I mean, according to this, we still got full battery, but I know that's not accurate. We'll go back here. I doubt we'll go in the nature preserve just because